If you're looking for something different for Taco Tuesday, I'm going to recommend Dorito Chicken Casserole. Now, Mark's favorite Doritos are nacho cheese and mine are Cool Ranch, but I didn't get either one of those. I got sweet and tangy, so we're going to try that today. The first thing I've done is I've sprayed my dish, and I'm doing half a recipe, and then I'm going to put Doritos in the bottom, spread it out. Now, if you want to crush them, you could do that. Next, I'm adding rotisserie chicken. Of course, you can cook your own chicken, but I had this left over from a previous recipe. I've got cream of chicken soup. I'm going to try and dollop it around. All right, next I'm going to add sour cream. Okay. Then I have Rotel tomatoes with green chilies. I think I'm going to use a spoon. Next, I'm adding onions. There we go. Got corn. Got some black beans. I'm not going to use all of these. And garlic. Now you can keep out anything that you don't like, but these are things that we like. Ranch dressing. This is your powder. And taco seasoning. Now I'm going to add more Doritos. Pushing them down. All right. Now I have cheese. Use a Mexican blend. This is a mixture of Colby and Monterey Jack that I shredded. Okay. And I chopped some tomatoes for on top. I thought that would look good. All right. So I'm putting it in a 350-degree oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. Because all we need to really do is melt the cheese. Let's do 20 to start. And now we'll have to wait. All right, how's that?
Looks good.
Ready? Now you could use a fork, or you could...
Oh yeah. Didn't think of it like a nacho. Mm-hmm. All right.
I like the sweet and tangy.
Very good. I think I might add some salsa. Maybe on the side, cold on the plate.
You got some. There you go.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Excuse me.
Salsa on the side?
I think
that's a good idea.
I think it might be good.
Yeah, that would be good.
Pico de gallo, something like that.
Oh yeah, that's another option.
Delicious.
I think there's lots of ingredients you could add to this or take away from what I've made. It's really good. I'm taking another bite.
Well, 2 videos a week, Wednesday and Sunday. They release at noon. The
Eastern time.
recipe's in the description box below, so check out the recipe. Please like and subscribe. Sober Joe makes more awesome dishes like this for me and you.
What more could we say?
Not much.
Outside of it's delicious, so I recommend making it. Oh yeah, I really like the crunch. This is good. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.